Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game version and required King Legacy patch so mechanics match the guide. Gather a character who has unlocked basic combat and lore skills. This ensures you can survive early encounters and read ancient texts. Open your in-game journal and immediately set the lore quest marker to focus your path. Once done, equip any lore-sensing item to reveal hidden triggers. This speeds discovery and prevents backtracking when you enter the first ruined hall. You proceed to the complex middle steps by following quest markers to gate, archive, and altar in that sequence to avoid lockouts. Make sure to use your lore-sensing item within 15 meters to reveal hidden clues that change puzzle states. This prevents missed interactions. When you reach each node, perform the specific actions: a timing window at gate, a symbol match in the archive, and echo playback at the altar. Once each node is solved, collect the lore shard and sync it to your journal to update the overarching story path. You complete the task by combining the 3 collected lore shards at the King Reliquary. This sequence triggers the final scene and opens the last chamber. During the final combat phase, prioritize interrupting the King's casting and use cover when summons spawn. Doing so secures the throne interaction smoothly. Once combat ends, interact with the throne to record legacy lore. If something goes wrong, reset the instance, re-equip your lore-sensing item, or rescan nearby areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.